Good morning, everybody. This is Connor from Futures Analytica bringing you guys another live trading session. Actually, I just realized it's afternoon for most of you guys right now, and it's about noon for me. So let's just jump right into it. We're going to be doing auto arm today on ES Futures, of course. We're just going to be in trend mode pretty much the entire day. Sorry, not auto arm. What am I talking about? We're going to be doing arm both. As you can see, I'm a little bit distracted today. That's just because we've been working really hard on getting this VPS service out, and I think we're ready to launch the website and start taking orders and customer information. Market is pretty slow today, but that's what we get for waiting. Not a lot of action happening today, but hopefully we can get something. Hi, Yazid. To answer your question, PolarityATI is not ideal for Forex. I don't suggest it because data on Forex is spread out through many different brokers, so you don't have access to any centralized database for order flow. Order flow thrives when you can see all of the orders that are happening on a given instrument. So with Forex, that's essentially impossible. Hi, yeah, Ben. Your question was VPS and dedicated server is not the same. Which one of them do you use actually? Do you use a NVIDIA RTX video card? When I get stage 3 of Polarity, the guidebook is in digital or paper format or question mark. Thank you for the questions, yet, Ben. You're correct in saying that VPS and dedicated servers are not the same. I use a VPS, however, the VPS that I use does not do resource sharing. There are dedicated resources. So although you do not have your own bare metal machine, you do in fact have your own instance with dedicated resources. You're not sharing those resources with other people, like many of the oversubscription models that trading VPSs use, which can lead to congestion during high usage hours. We do not do that. So I do use a VPS, by the way. In regards to an NVIDIA RTX video card, I have one on my computer in my main desktop, but not on the VPS. It does not matter for that. And with Stage 3 Polarity, the guidebook is in digital format, not paper format. Hey, Mike Feltz, your question was, would you be planning a white glove installation for NinjaTrader install on VPS so that one can run it smoothly? To answer your question, everything is going to come pre-configured and ready for trading with the VPS. You won't have to install anything. So that should be pretty helpful. Wow, literally no movement here. Hopefully, I was thinking that on Friday there'd be some volatility at the end of the day, but I guess I'm probably wrong about that. But hopefully we can get one or two trades at least. Also, to give you guys some idea on the specifications that we will be having on those VPS services, to the Chicago Mercantile Exchange matching house, we have measured 1800 or as high as 1800 microseconds. So that is a 1.8 millisecond latency. We find that to be very, very competitive, and it does beat what we're seeing at this price point. Anything lower than that, and you're going to be looking at extremely high rates, co-location rates, and stuff like that inside of the Aurora Exchange, which we will eventually offer. However, for 99.99% of traders, this will be everything you need for that. It's what I personally use, and it has served me very well. Also, to let you guys know about the VPS data center we are using. It is a tier 3 data center, meaning the uptime is considerably better than anything else on the market right now, and it's located extremely close to the exchange, which I had maybe mentioned before. Oh, there we go. There's our first trade of the day here. Finally got filled into something there. Ended up winning that one up to $408.24. Also, we are looking into offering fully dedicated servers for you guys too. if that's something you guys are interested in. However, the price, of course, will be higher as dedicated servers do cost more. And we don't really see a huge benefit because all of your resources are dedicated anyway. However, even if that being said, we will still try to offer them to you guys if that's something that's important. Sorry, guys, this is so slow. The difference between auto arm and arm both is somewhat significant. Arm both just means the strategy is armed and ready to take trades. It is like actually active, and it's consistently searching for large amounts of order flow imbalances along with other factors. When you turn auto arm on, it means that you are not arming the strategy until certain preconditions are made. So it's like an extra step of automation that you can either use or not use. Um, Also, the arm both button will disarm itself once you get into a trade. There we go. There's our second trade of the day here. It's a long trade. Let's see if we can end up winning it. All right, let me pull up that. Oh, cool. It's already open. Unfortunately, that's our first loss of the day. We're down to $116. There we go. Just got filled. End up winning that one pretty quickly. Up to 524 now. There we go. Just got filled again. This one's a short trade. End up winning that one pretty quickly. The last 5 minutes should give us some pretty solid volatility here. Just got filled short now. Perfect. I ended up winning that one at 1,341. Got filled long here. It hit our automatic stop chase, meaning we'll lose less on this than we would win if we were to get stopped out. Now I'm back down to 1,000 on the day after losing that trade. We really should be in regression here, but I am still going to continue doing that strategy where we are trying to only use trend mode. Hey, Leandro, I'm actually not using an MT order on this strategy. I'm using a limit order for my target. There we go. Just got filled short here. It hit our automatic stop chase pretty quickly. There we go. I ended up winning that one at 14.57. Got filled here into a long trade. We got last few trades of the day going on. Hopefully we can edge this one out and win it. There we go. Okay, so now we're up to 1,865. We just got filled again into a long trade. Looks like we're starting to get some volatility here. It's the last 10 seconds of the market. Getting filled back to back here. Volatility has kicked up now. There we go. Getting filled short. Made it almost 1,500 in the past, I think, a minute. Let's keep trying to win these. Unfortunately, that one stopped out. We got filled consecutively and again into a long trade. Wow, super volatile right now, guys. There we go. Ended up winning that one. Back up to 2,800. A little bit above our last trade. Just got filled into a long trade here. $3,200 on the day now. Volatility being very high. You can see that machine learning did change our parameters as volatility picked up, which is very nice. Okay, well, market is pretty much closed now, so I think this is going to be our last trade. And I don't like to trade too far after 1 p.m. That's Pacific Standard Time. There we go, up to 4,000 on the day. I'd say we finished that one out pretty well if we only traded for 20 minutes. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay posted on those VPS, on that VPS confirmation. I was working on trying to release it like after the stream, but it looks like it's going to be a little bit further down later today. But stay tuned. Look at the comments for any more information on that, guys. But thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend.